There are many products available to choose blaster nozzle gun for car, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best blaster nozzle gun for car from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1 HVLP Gravity Feed Air Spray Gun 600cc cup paint sprayer with 3 nozzles, 1.4 meter, 1.7 meter, 2.0 meter pro painting tool for car primer. HVLP paint spray gun, professional HVLP air spray gun with gravity feed and 3 fluid tips. Allows painting for a variety of coatings and all types of surface coatings. High volume, low pressure technology applies paint with less force, prevents paint from splashing. Number 2 Sealy S701G Spray Gun Professional Gravity Feed 1.4mm setup. Suitable for applying finishing coats. 2-stage trigger control and 600 ml plastic gravity feed pot. Adjustable spray width and fluid flow. Maintenance tools supplied. Suitable for use with water-based paints. Alternative setups available separately. Number 3-2 Set HVLP Paint Sprayer. Set with 0.8 ml and 1.4 ml nozzle. Spray gun. Set. The paint sprayer kit box contains 2 different sizes of spray paint gun. Small spray gun with 0.8 mm paint sprayer nozzle, more suitable for spraying auto parts and small jobs. The large paint sprayer comes with a 1.4 mm paint sprayer nozzle, which is more suitable for spraying large jobs such as automotive primers and panels. The combination of 2 different types of spray guns can make your work more perfect. Number 4 Carbol HVLP Air Gravity Feed Spray Gun with Nozzles. Equipped with 1000cc ml aluminum cup, corrosion-resistant paint. Sets of nozzles and nozzle caps and thimbles. Nozzle size 1.4 mm, 1.7 mm, 2.5 mm. It can meet your requirements for different paint densities. Number 5 Voilamart 2 Set HVLP Gravity Feed Spray Gun. Set with 600cc, 125cc cup paint, sprayer airbrush painting tool, kit with copper nozzle, 1.4 mm, 0.8 mm. Aluminum alloy body with chrome plating for ease of cleanup and durability. This professional spray gun is characterized by a high transfer rate, low overspray, low air consumption, and good atomization.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.